Hello, in this video we're gonna check performance of the charger that comes with Vivo Y16. And to do this we'll need to use the Gosund Smart Socket, which should tell the exact statistics on my phone right here. And now let's open up the box and take out the charger. So right here I have the charger and the cable. Now the phone is connected, and here we need to wait about 30 seconds till all of the statistics shown here are stable. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.